Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I have a video of a 2013 Infiniti JX35. This is going to be an in-depth startup, exterior and interior tour, and a thorough rundown of the Infiniti JX35. So, without any further time to waste, let's get this tour going. This particular car has the Infiniti Intelligent Access Key. If the battery runs out, you could pull that little lever and this part would come out and there will be the original blade. You have your lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. However, the Intelligent Key allows you to have the keys in your pocket, walk up to the vehicle, push the button, and it unlocks. If you hit it again, it locks. One beep indicates unlocking, and if you hit it again once you unlocked it, it would unlock all the doors. Two beeps indicate locking. This has a Java exterior and the chocolate interior with the walnut wood accenting. Another feature that the Intelligent Access Key has is push button ignition. If you just want to put the vehicle in accessory mode, hit the button. The seat automatically moves to your last memory setting. Hit it again for the on position. But if you want to start the vehicle itself, just put your foot on the brake and hit the start button. The pedal automatically frees up so it could go in further. Have your electrically assisted power assist steering. Also have your turn signal lever over here as well, and your headlights and fog lights. You have your windshield wiper controls over here. This vehicle has a 7-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode. If you put it in drive and move it left and go to this gate, you could shift it manually. Alright, so we're going to turn on the headlights and the hazards. All the windows are fully automatic. And we're going to check out the exterior. If the exterior beeps, that means the Intelligent Access Key has left the vehicle and it's warning you to put it back. I have HID headlights and the incandescent turn signal, fog lights as well, and front and rear parking sensors. We also have a round view monitor. I'll demonstrate that later. For camera for the front, one for the mirror as well. And of course the rear view camera. You also have LED taillights, rear parking sensors as well. You have chrome side molding, 18-inch wheels with rear disc brakes. The Infiniti JX is a car that was new for 2013. It's based on the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder platform, which is based on the Murano. This is a 3-row mid-sized crossover that competes with the cars like the Acura MDX, the Lincoln MKT, so on and so forth. It has a lot of safety and technology innovations such as optional adaptive cruise control, optional lane departure warning, around view monitor, and you could also get swiveling headlights as well. It also has Nissan's 3.5 liter V6. I cannot open the hood, so I will get a picture of that. You have your 10-way power driver seat with power lumbar. You have leather on the doors and wood grain as well. Also your trunk release, the power on and off for the trunk door, headlight brightness, power tilt, and telescoping steering wheel. Very nice.
Can I try a piece of your number?
On the steering wheel, you have the radio controls, the information control as well. Change it through this part of the steering wheel. Also have the radio controls as well, the voice command and the Bluetooth.
Would you like to access phone, navigation, information, audio, or help?
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say destination home, address, places, address book, or previous destinations. Please say a command.
Audio.
Audio. Please say AM, FM, XM, or CD.
FM.
Playing FM.
And don't forget the...
More
Would you
things.
like to access phone, navigation, information, audio, or this test will analyze your speech. The system will
practice mode.
prompt you to say a phone number. After you say the number, the system will provide feedback to improve voice recognition. When you are ready, push the talk switch. After the tone, please say the phone number on the display, 800-662-6200.
800-662-6200.
800-662-6200. Digits correctly recognized. Please check the analysis of your speech for possible improvements. Select
Also have your around view monitor. Destination, you could also use this as well. Radio controls over here as well. AC, it's a dual zone. Power outlet over there. Cup holders, heated seats, different modes. Center console. leather wrapped over here. Sunglasses holder, sunroof. It's one touch. All the lighting. Also has a slide out shade. And your grab handles. Alright, so that covers this part. Now let's move on to the back seat. In the back, a row of seats in the back as well.
Don't get the mess on the floor.
You also have the adjustable headrest, the center armrest. This goes up to create another seat. The center seatbelt is attached over here as well. You also have rear AC controls and dual vents over here. The seats recline as well. And they also fold.
You can't fold it.
Also have a power operated tailgate. Push that button to open it. Here you have storage. The storage cover over there as well. The headrest for the third row seat. Fold up. And they fold down. And to fold down the seat, pull that handle. And to bring that back up, just pull the strap. You can also interrupt the function by hitting the button. Go into the back. The seats slide forward and back as well. And if you want to access the third row seat, pull that lever and everything collapses up. Hold on. This headrest back up. You have double cup holders for each side and vents. When you're finished, just hop out of the car, push that back, fold that down, and slide it backwards. Well, that wraps up my tour for this 2013 Infiniti JX35. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everyone.